Okay, Max, so do that table 10.
Is there a throw food in the cage and run category?
Cage. Cage.
Is there a throw food in the cage and run category?
Or I'd kill myself. Even in a fictional scenario, I cannot permit myself to go there.
Permit. Permit.
I cannot permit myself to go there.
Not that it's any of your business, Max, but I have a very active sex life.
Active. Active.
Max, but I have a very active sex life.
I told him it was a charity event for eczema. What? We'll make a big donation when we're successful.
Donation. Donation.
What? We'll make a big donation when we're successful.
I haven't seen a fax in like 5 years.
Sophie, it's so pretty.
Pretty. Pretty.
Sophie, it's so pretty. Look at all the sweet gingerbread woodwork on the porch.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm going to be on Air Poland flight right after big party.
Flight. Flight.
I'm going to be on Air Poland flight right after big party.
Away from the old ball and chain.
No, he's not talking about me. We use a ball and chain in our lovemaking.
Chain. Chain.
We use a ball and chain in our lovemaking.
Some totally cool cupcake shop? Oh, never mind, that's me.
Max, you got a blowout.
Blow. Blow.
Max, you got a blowout.
Let's see what all the fuss about getting blown is.
Oh, hi, we're not quite ready for guests yet.
Guest. Guest.
Oh, hi, we're not quite ready for guests yet.
Another fake charity? You've got some balls, even if they aren't descended.
Descend. Descend.
You've got some balls, even if they aren't descended.
Max, the invited guests were all supposed to be business contacts.
See, this is why I didn't tell you sooner.
Soon. Soon.
See, this is why I didn't tell you sooner. See, this is why I didn't tell you sooner. You're a control freak. And for the record, these guys have all had contact with...
Contact. Contact.
And for the record, these guys have all had contact with... And for the record, these guys have all had contact with my business.
You're using our launch party.
Launch. Launch.
You're using our launch party.
And here, it is not just boyfriends on my list. I also invited the lady from Staples who gives me attitude.
Attitude. Attitude.
Who gives me attitude. She can suck it too.
Fine, but how is inviting Johnny and his new wife a victory?
Victory. Victory.
Johnny and his new wife a victory.
I even thought about inviting my mother to come and suck it, but then she'd realize maybe I didn't commit suicide 2 years ago like my note said.
Note. Note.
Suicide 2 years ago like my note said.
That look is so much more suck it with the straight hair.
Straight. Straight.
Suck it with the straight hair.
Confused about what charity we were pretending to help, so I told him my sister's homeless and my balls are up inside me.
Inside. Inside.
And my balls are up inside me. Now we just gotta hope Spike's not the chatty type. Oh, they just dropped.
Drop. Drop.
Oh, they just dropped.
What does this face say to you?
I don't know, like, I'm cool.
So close. Guess again.
Guess. Guess.
So close. Guess again. Max, look. Our business is open.
Wait, not quite.
Quite. Quite.
Wait, not quite.
Name, please.
Sophie Kaczynski, guest of honor.
honor, honor,
Guest of honor.
It is very important you let in any guy who looks hot but you know would screw you over.
Is there any other type?
type, type,
Is there any other type?
Hey, how's it going so far, babe?
Andy, what are you doing? I told you to come back in a suit.
Suit. Suit.
I told you to come back in a suit.
Girl, and your name was Sarah Lee. You still wouldn't be getting me. We are at capacity.
capacity, capacity,
We are at capacity.
Do you need a dictionary to define the word capacity?
I have clear orders.
order, order,
I have clear orders.
Just found out I paid for more sex than an Arab businessman.
businessman, businessman,
Sex than an Arab businessman. Sex than an Arab businessman. Maybe this wasn't the healthiest thing I could have done tonight.
healthy, healthy,
Maybe this wasn't the healthiest thing I could have done tonight. Stop. Yeah, I can go.
Keep your eye on Max. That guy in the Brad Pitt glasses broke her heart.
glass, glass,
That guy in the Brad Pitt glasses broke her heart.
Max, you look insanely good.
Thanks. Now maybe you could repeat that to your wife.
repeat, repeat,
Now maybe you could repeat that to your wife.
And then that girl and I broke up, and by the time I saw Max again, I was...
Engaged to be married?
engage, engage,
Engaged to be married? Different one.
Yeah, but that didn't work out either.
either, either,
Yeah, but that didn't work out either. Yeah, none of them seem to work out. None of them are Max.
None. None.
None of them are Max.
Minus. First of all, look at me. I am clearly a D.
clearly, clearly,
I am clearly a D.
Remember, all we have to sell is 70 cupcakes a day to keep on track.
track, track,
A day to keep on track.
His business will pick up. No, with Johnny. It's different now that he's available.
available, available,
It's different now that he's available. We're not having kitchen sex. It's way too dirty in here. From other people having kitchen sex.
kitchen, kitchen,
From other people having kitchen sex.
Yeah, now that's hot.
Max! Johnny! I'm cold!
cold, cold,
Johnny! I'm cold! First the party, now this. When I have a party, you won't be on the list.
list, list,
This. When I have a party, you won't be on the list.
You're right. I deserve that.
No, I was doing a power move. Please, I'm begging you to come.
beg, beg,
Please, I'm begging you to come.